I wanted to come live today because yesterday I took my son to this music school, and I'm thinking of putting him into music and starting him off on some classes so that he learns how to read music and appreciate music. And I took 3 books, and I wanted to share these 3 books with you because I got a review from an actual music school, and it's a reputable school in my state. And let me tell you, so there's a disclaimer. Almost all people who know music, who love music, who can teach music, a lot of them will positively critique our books, but they also will throw in a few little things that they think are problems with our books. But I'm going to tell you one thing. They're not really problems. Now, this music school, they sell a recorder. And so I had brought my son's recorder with me. Okay, this Osborne recorder, let me tell you, Osborne does not make low quality books or instructional instruments. This recorder right here, okay, and I just learned this yesterday, is, wait, I gotta put it in. How do I? So it comes in 3 pieces, and I learned that you have to clean your recorder all the time. It doesn't come with a cleaner, but just soap and water cleans the recorder. Okay, so this is the recorder, and it's a German recorder. So yesterday at the music school, the lady had a German recorder like this. The mouthpiece was just slightly wider and shorter, but that was about it, and it was a different color. So it was interesting to learn. At first she thought, oh, that's a toy. And I'm thinking, I don't think that. And in my mind I'm thinking, I don't think this doesn't look like just a toy. The quality of this recorder isn't the quality that you get in any toy store. Okay? Osborne does not make toys. Well, it is a toy, but it isn't a toy. It's a real recorder. And I don't have the ear. I never learned how to play an instrument when I was growing up. So to me, music is music, and they pretty much sound the same. I don't know how to tell if it's off key or I really don't. Maybe my son will. But in my ear, with my ear, and listening to her play our flute and their flute, I realized that they sounded the same. Although there were slight like pitches, maybe the pitch was it was sharper, or when you hit a certain note. But overall, this recorder, if you cannot afford to put your kids in school, you can buy the Osborne Books and More recorder for beginners, and they can learn how to play the flute. Another difference that I realized is that when you're teaching, a lot of the notes and the way they teach how to play is that they put the little hole on the back, they put it on the side. And Osborne puts it on top and then spaces it out. So it was really, really cool to learn that this recorder matched up to one of the music school recorders, and that my son will be learning to play next year. So I thought that was that was so much that I had to come on and give you my own review of it. So with this recorder, it teaches you how to place your fingers, and then here's a sample page. And so the very top one that you see, that's like the spaced away a little bit. Okay, your finger needs to go in the back, and I didn't know this. So there's a little hole in the back of this recorder, and that's where one of your fingers goes. And then it's left. You put your fingers on like this. So you put it on like this. So it's left to right. So your fingers go like this. Your thumb goes at the bottom, and then your pinky goes at the bottom like this. Okay? And so so all my fingers are covering the holes. And I don't know how to play. But here let's try it. I'm gonna try a sample. I think you play like this. Okay, I'm gonna try a sample, and let's just do the thumb on B, and then B covers the thumb hole with your left thumb, and the first hole with your first finger of the left hand. Okay, so then if you want to play the next one, add the second finger of your left hand, and then play the note A. There we go. Did you hear that? Okay, so then you put the third finger, okay, and that's G. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's pretty, it's more than just a toy. I highly recommend it if you're one of those people that cannot send your kids to a music school. It's a very good recorder, for a basic recorder for teaching basic recorder instructions. And this book is only $20. You know how much I'm going to be paying this semester for my son's school? $180. So it is well worth it. So if you can't afford $180, $20 to teach your son the recorder is huge. Anyways, thank you for watching. And if you like this recorder, go to my bookstore, https://twice, and then it's k4699.myubam.com, and buy your recorder today and teach your kids a little music for as low as $20. That will last you a lifetime. Thank you very much. Toodle-doo.